into engiyishoyo mama okusalayo sibosh noma ungayigcina mama easy ube na 21st okusalayo shafana nami fana nami ngiphuphudlile ke activities
Chomi ngiyabona ama influencers selling ajayiva ku
tavern influencer
hey pho awumazi
ayikho nje the wrong ngaye matshitshini akupetula iphunani it's fine uye ube ne certificate
asiphi
nama medal
no adliwile
okay it's fine
I
even post to mama lo mama zana ngishaya 6 pack
Ngitshele piano hub bazongithengela. Ngitshele piano hub.
Yebo.
Yeah, ukapsa nama colleagues wakhe bahlongeketsa plan because I can't afford 400 ngihlele emuva ngisengiyaskena ukuthi ukapsa or Ruban hell no.
Friendly. Sebuka noma ngaba two guys opposite bonke abomama. Bakeke.
hey
Mother B, mother A, mother A.
Bakabomkenya.
No cap. Up next.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nadi T Washington coming all the way back from Senton Crackle Street. Welcome to another episode of No Cap, episode 12. I'm not alone, I'm with my beautiful people, two beautiful guests again and again. I know you're used to these faces, but ciao.
hey girlies it's a girl Ausnil on the block the dopest of the ropest
Ala. What's up, Afeti Chopo, people the hero, aka Mama's boy.
yo salibona bafethu iyona ke le ntombi yakaZulu madimpu zona ishange ismayile sihle ngengi yona intokazi ngithathi ngiyo
Hey guys, what's popping? It's a girl Obi Betty, the baddest being the ABCD. Period.
That has been an ABCD. Okay guys, so first things first, we're just gonna ask each other how was your weekend? How was everything? And then we get straight to it. So look guy. The baddest B or Elsnake?
the best
The baddest B.
Okay guys, my weekend was boring. Yeah, because I've been enjoying content. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, Makusaya.
mazungu
Oh, sorry, Mazu.
bye
Mama zalabani lezo.
kwamela chazele phela
Okay.
Ma.
ayigenzeka kodwa mina sisho podcast nje Lokho sisakiwe
Okay.
sithubela
Yeah. Vivo.
Nikhuluma ngayiphi la ngiyi-1
Any weekend. This weekend.
oh le
Yeah.
nothing much.
That's
Podcast there's no keep this weekend.
Musose wethu ngokunjani?
Shtamana ma get down man.
Sotra all the way.
usinele lezaza
Chomi
Washa.
sizale guthile lungini
siyoma ubani
weekend
Yeah.
Ngikho into ebalekile bengishuthi umngani content ngisabheka abafana ngizoba-chasela ibag yabo ngathi ngiphathe nje and steaming in them cool
Steaming like
ukufutha bengisivuthisa nje phakathi kwendlu ngizivalele then planning to do my hair my person
ngiyakubona ne-afro senje
no friend ngikafamanelani
But I saw Shaka Ilembe, it's fine. So, my weekend, nearly bad because I was planning to buy an iPhone 17. Now, guys, let it pass to buy an iPhone 17. So, we'll have some technical issues, because things are turning Southgate and whatever. So, I'm transferring in Maponya Mall and then I'll just get the phone there. Otherwise, nothing much, nothing huge. And another thing is, I think, the operation to do the xenophobia, hopefully, pass, man, because after all, it's back for no reason. So, yeah.
That's clear.
So, what's on your mind?
bafethu sosinele True.
Uyishuda le.
Like if sowumzali yabo. Mase umzali. Ungavuma ukuthi like one of your sons abe square. Umuntu odivide, umuntu onamanga.
Ay ntombazane.
Ajime aphinde.
Friend. Ngifuna umuntu onjani.
Like umntana wakhe intombazane.
Mfana.
Like a bodybuilder. Why? Why? What's wrong with that?
Chuma ngimfuna mina umuntu onjani.
Why?
Nje ngichaza nje lento yabo. Nje itseno. Ayikho reason but itseno.
Okay.
Wena. Yes, I
Mina, I don't mind because I feel like abantu abanye bayenza imali ngokuba i-bodybuilder because you can even start so zabona laba abenza ama-content wabo bangavula nje i-content bafundisa abantu based on how to get fit to that extent. So yeah, I don't mind.
The hero.
Mina nginenkinga. Angeke ngithi ngubaba ngizibondele wena udla insimbi. Ngaka hayibo.
Manje sho ukuthi wena ufuna ukuhluka indodana yakho.
No, wala mina ngihlule.
Wena umthethere phela
Ngibali ngisimba impuphu yena ozoyiguga kanjani? Kanjani?
Phela ngisona sokuthi
that's why ngithi akafuni
yena usane-strength usasewa.
Ngihlulwa mina. Life in.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, mina guys. Hey, lempilo lesiphila kuyo yazi umzimba wakho mfethu yenza noma yini oyithandayo. Angithi nawe manje yenza noma yini oyithandayo. Why yena uzongqabela?
Chumi.
So I mina nje manje nje mina I don't care. Just don't care nje. It's your body. Womele uyenza into oyithandayo ngomzimba wakho uzozibonela at the end of the day angene lapho.
Yeah.
True.
This is the best.
Angazi, this is a question.
You like ungamdedela
Mthatha ispora friend.
Actually, we need to protect us insecurity. Actually, right? We must anyways, yeah. Angazi, as we said, last thing, umzimba wakho wani.
Yeah, true.
So whatever you want.
In
friend.
Friend. Isigore endlini.
Hey, you're protected. Phela imagine phela.
Chama isigore noma singaquba. Babangena bafuna ukuntrapa bazontrapa naso. So nje connect lento le. Uthola ukuthi nje uphuza yena uphuza ile ntuza nama chemical wakhona lawo ukuthi abe isigore akashini ngifuna nje.
Mara uzokuvikela.
Mabangishaye mafuna utrap.
Yeah. Wrong way. That's wrong.
Okay, question.
Next question.
And that's not my question. Shit.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Mina angazi but then the way ngibone ngakhona today, especially kuma status nakuma social pages, like I think the way we celebrate ngakhona this year it's different compared to other years. Like akusinoma ubani lo post abazali bakhe kuma network because ngithi abanye abantu they just don't want to outshow abazali babo out there. Like today, I was so shocked. I felt so bad because, guys, baba ngoba thabana batswadi. So for me, it was a bit touching, even though I do have. But then seeing abantu post and stuff, like I don't know, it trendy or either way, generation
It's not a trend. It's something that it's a thing that has to be celebrated because it's on the calendar. I think it's a money thing.
You know, I think it's a trend because. Ubegin the way also seba celebrate heritage ngakhona awe kuba like nama photo shoot the day before the heritage day like now the way bayigcokela ngakhona ama tradition these days. I don't know if niyibonile last day beyitrenda kanjani. So that's why I Mother's Day it's a trend to me the way that's why I maybe it's also part of the evolution is pillar way, like everything is just growing bigger and bigger every day.
Yeah, because I mean see some for example they take small things seriously.
Yeah.
Like Mother's Day, I mean that's a huge.
Yeah. True.
Huge friendly. Two guys supposed to bonga bomba. Like
Hey, kuna
Mother B, Mother A, Mother A.
Wakabumkenya no wako.
Chami, kahlakahle kuna Mother A, Mother B, Mother C, Mother D.
Yeah.
Cause umama like ubaba ngithi ushadile
Yeah,
ngimfazi malapilo yena
Oh.
noma mazala phela kwamele ngimbonge ukuthi unethele something
Actually something.
So, ngiyabona.
Yeah.
Mama Zala.
So ngiyabona ngeke friends.
nabo mama bengakufunda sengiphile phela ihlulu
Because noma nakayo uyadeserve
ubongwa ukuthi waze wangilethela ku ifruit engilithandayo emhlabeni
Just akasa ke morena ma.
Mother's Day. Fana nje namanye amalanga kimi.
Ah,
Even post umamami. Mama Zala ngishaya 6 pack ngiphuma.
you again.
I mean, mama ngimpostanga ne mara first thing that I did.
Yeah.
Ngavukisi. Ngavuka. Call no day to right. To right mara. Ushoda nje ngepresent ngitshela ukuthi awusabi. Mina right life in.
Yeah.
Uzoyithola. Hayi kwamanje. Anoma ngampostanga ne mara damn and after 2 minutes.
Yo!
Okay, guys. Yeah, shout out to them. Shout out to all the mothers, guys. Love your Sintanda.
New generation. Teen mothers. Teen mothers.
The names.
Mothers Day.
Nababazali.
Yeah.
Mothers. That's why it's teen mothers. Ngingabateleli laba basesikolweni nabo mama njalo liboyazi ukuthi mama umuntu lo
Yeah, you was
Asixeke.
imagine uma bakho bamdelela ngiyabona esikolweni nabo mama esikolweni
Okay.
Okay, guys, now what's on my mind right now? Okay, now I'm a fan of Ilukombo, right? Now I'm going to Ilukombo. Okay, sharp. What's on my mind regarding Ilukombo, guys? I don't know if you're listening to it or what, but then anyway, sharp. So, apparently, because Vele into like I think 2024, Jonga Baby introduced our share, even though singers we are like originally. So there's like artists from Ilukombo genre, like they've been dying. And then abanye bebangafi they are involved into car accident. So like what's your take on like regarding that, because most of them are dying like car accident specifically, and like it's in a way to ama piano lesimamela. At least the piano you can hear, like for example rest in peace UKO, it was stabbing, right? If I'm correct, something is stabbing Abu Costa Tish, it was ama heart attack, ADHD, and so tina abe like bashana specifically Guma road, guys, car accident roads. So like what's your take on, because manje abantu kube bathi siqalekiso because Limpopo, right? So bathi indlela zaseLimpopo asekho right. Mina sengithukela nabantu like abatravelelayo through the roads yaseLimpopo ukuthi what's going on, or kunomuntu behind the Likompo genre obusy ngalama artists, because recently, actually this week ukushono munye angimazi, I'm not familiar with that guy, but then kono shonile this week. Last week we was burying Bashile Mfana. The other week mina thinking na ushabu right have a jail, because who knows na ibang planet.
It's cultural.
Culture. How's that culture if people are dying?
It's culture. Like Annie.
So when multi-culture, do you specify it on the genre, Likompo culture, or it's culture regarding the music thing?
It's the culture, the lifestyle they are living. Because these people, for example, Nganti, Ikotani, but them they are Nganti, what would I call them? Because but like I don't know, sense of style with Ngambadizan. Because most of them, Mabaya perform, they go with weapons, like in certain.
But that happens to all genres.
No,
especially
not
women in
all,
the
not all.
What do you mean not all, guys?
Not all.
He had a reason why he had to take out a gun. He was being attacked by that guy. Guys, do you know Guti as a big person, like now you get tempted, Moguya Ebantun Aba General, Because abantu general, they have many ways to provoke you. And then when a man you act firm and acting at when you're not getting hurt, to tolerate the attitude, that they're giving you.
Chemi, it's culture.
What's the share,
like the music.
Yeah.
It's culture. Why do I say it's culture? Because like go bonama pantul of course it's a culture. You have to have a weapon. So bona laba lava. I feel like they are fighting to blow up because man, we're now seeing new faces and new artists.
Yeah,
the ones mak blow alone we still go there with that one and that one and that one and that one.
Yeah.
And mind you, the culture maybe Shebeshita had maybe shares or abanye abantu stole people's sound. Because the more you still just the weight, some people get affected because maybe even if one thing, maybe like what I noticed, they did their music as a group.
True.
Those boys, there were a lot. No Shebeshita. I guess Shebeshita did her music. I won. Had Begana Bangani who were doing some.
But then he's the one who's over. No, Shebe is different. No, you know what I'm saying? It's different. Remember, he started as a gangster. You understand? Like Nalimutu Begabambi Gunzi. Besides that.
What
about if you know Scott Mapuma Ashaya Ifen if you know
I trend
and the Chumobonila police.
No, you know why? No, you have never because you don't follow him. So now I know. You're just not understanding the whole genre and who is Shebe and who's behind Shebe. I think you're judging according to people's perspective. When our man's general, you need to know him. What I'm trying to imply, it was a planned thing. He didn't deliberately kill his own son.
Maria, okay, I'll find my mistake.
You do, but then Ushebe is part of Ikama regarding what INC back then. No, I just feel like they're against the Ilicom. But you
But I feel like the culture. I think those boys they don't take shit. They don't take shit. Like those guys, they really don't take shit. So I feel like and stuff. But hey, you know that's how yeah, don't take shit. You can't tell me that.
But that's how they talk.
Yeah, Mara Ekari, they like in Chami, they don't take shit. Like no matter spana, see the couple.
Libya no ijwalo. Anya kufika ukukapsa umrasel also begin the winner. So that's what they also do.
But I feel like the piano it's a quiet and you can easily. I mean, some artists manage to upload some don't wanna feature with him, but I choose. But in Pilangati, it's illegal people are fighting. As a man passing bomb, bablo a match and a lot. Any style like suppose ni. Friend. Equally
okay, no, fine. So,
okay, baningi like abantu abacula and bacula into e1.
Yes.
Bonke abo mali kompo nabo rani kompo. Abo mali kompo nabo rani kompo.
Yeah.
So baningi like bacula into e1. But
it's different.
Abantu chomine like we are Shandesh will forever nyamthanda. So chomine uShandesh uyangena nem. uShandesh bazomthanda cause yabona ngithi cause ucharisma chomine bekadumile bekathandwa. Wangena uShandesh overtake ucharisma obvious uzofila ngathi lo ngamkhiphanyana la industry cause lo sakasithathile ispace manje wangena banokuthi wabona nalokuthi time futhi my tone yaka in
Shadi mama.
Hayi Shandesh.
Uchadesh.
Hayi Uchadesh futhi na bamthatha ngasenzini. Sorry Shandesh mara bakuthethanga sina.
Sorry.
Shamula kuza lo oshonile lo manje last week lo. Usamphothi mathe yena lo.
Oh, lokhe lo shonile. Okay, yeah.
Shomna ungenile because babonile ukuthi abantu uyathandwa ugeli. Because bayabona wonke umuntu nje saka lapho. Kuyazibani ukuthi khona umuntu os like behind lento leyo.
But it's the same also as Likombo. I mean, sorry, piano nabo bakhuluma into efanayo. Kuthi at this point so noma yini like whatever you feel like you're flow or you just want to flow with it. Like piano it doesn't even make sense anymore. Same apply to Scott Maphuma lengoma yakhe igone kanje. What the fuck is that? I feel like
support lapho Scott Maphuma akakhulu
Chami yabona inkinga ukuthi iLimpopo iyathanda like umuntu like always like uShandesha ngathi amafriend wami oqala uzokutshela ukuthi abasiLimpopo because uyazi ukuthi abomkhaya bakhe bazomsupporta then nomunye akutshela ukuthi nami amafriend wami aseLimpopo bebona ukuthi manje sekuyabangiswana manje
sekuyabangiswana. It's like ngathi maybe it's a Likombo is just a
and on it
genre yamanje.
And iLimpopo
maybe
ajayiva ethaveni and elithaveni khala iLikombo umunye uzothi ufuna uShandesha omunye afuna ukhara incindi yakhala lapha ethaveni omunye athi Shandesha omunye athi Kharisma uyabona
so mina iBletha benohamba kuyabalula uShandesha.
no Tom like not like no like Tom like uyabona nawo ama influencers oh like niyabona ama influencers eLimpopo ajayiva ku ethaveni
Tavern influencer.
right po awumazi any case uhlokhathi Limpopo rejiva ko tavern
No.
athi lapha nathi akunathi lapha kakhulukhulu mawufuna nje isound like ubumnandi
No, utshela uhlokho ukuthi she or he aga no it for me it's personally wrong. Why would I go and dance at tavern? Right, smoke chiva abantu abadala. For us, Gen Z, I don't consider ourselves date chiva in tavern. I think it's street club or indawo ebalekile. It's fun.
ithaveni inesilala
Babuma isokesisha.
yazi nongena like wakwabona ne abantu bakudala like maybe nakudala ngijayive ethaveni kungena isitoke esisha ngiyakwada because ngifile ngathi nje angeke basanginaka kuyangova phambili
Bebangana status.
imali yabantu bami iyophelela kulogeni ithaveni ndimnandi because nijayiva 24 hours
Nasemkhulumeni ujayiva 24 hours. No, it depends actually where you are. Because amanye amakwari it's 6 to 6.
Sina Timen bavala ngo1 la.
Utimen because unama rules and also ucabangela ama 2K because most of the time kugcwala ilona ama age group wethu.
Nama-2K kafuna ukushaya isilala June.
Usilala then khamba kwamanye ama groove guys. Iyane extreme iyane.
Uyabona ne Utimen maka hostile expect ukushaya isilala. Sijayive bonke until
something different. Maybe if you can bring something different, maybe be the best MC or the best performer, best hostess, maybe
mfethu shayinamba ungastop wena shayinamba kuze uziwe
yabona khona lapha Jumine
kuze kuvelilana
laba bokuvalwa nje bakulo budgets ungasala
low budget, it's safety precautions, no? It's safety guys. Ayisibona kuyabulalana these days and uyabona since ukhona amapantsula azemichayiveni kumele sivale.
Uyakhuluza
friend ngithi ipantsula lo yazi no like ngiyasho ukuthi ipantsula lona lisharp
ekhona amapansula
anangithi ipantsula lisharp ekhulu shona ngikhuluma isebhedi ayingasibani ipantsula. Okay guys, manje ngifuna sikhulumeni ngeScorpion King.
Tell me about it. Okay, what's your take on it since you brought it up?
Yabona ne
I'm in America now.
Okay,
it's Scorpion Kings event ehlezi epart eyenzwa DJ Maphorisa, because they are the founders of Amapiano and Ibaba Kulise Mapiano, hence why they also call them what? Amakrotman. So last year they had an event around September, I don't know the dates because I'm younger. So this year they're doing it again. Oh, October. Okay, they're doing it again this time around in 16 or 19? 19 September, FNP Stadium. Shout out for them. Shout out for them.
And then my guys, I'm telling you, I take it 400 shooting things the one who's good to my photos and no guys actually. Causing lepelang babu, maracho name. Okay, imagine like nangfun pandlela lokuthi abantu bazobabuza ukuthi umaphorusa or bani. I feel like abantu abacabanga ukuthi lapha yana kuzoba nelentuzana. Like mawube khona la mawubhadala 400 uzobabona lapha screen shoot kanjani kube like babone live.
Do you know why futhi bakhuluma ngalento leyo? Khumbula iscreen mesikude plus nama flashlight azobe ema side plus nalaba we stadium also like mase the lights you won't clearly see what's going on lapha ya.
So that's why I'm 1.5.
1.5 Ngijole piano hub bazongithengela. Ngijole piano hub. Yeah, ukapsa nama colleagues wakhe bahlokhetha plan because I can't afford 400 ngihlele emuva ngisengiyaskena ukuthi ukapsa or ubani hell no.
That's why I'm telling you 1.2.
And apparently it's also an argument because apparently in Likompo it's also mentioned actually kuma guest la uzobakhona uShandesh ukhona.
Chome wonke umuntu uyamthanda uShandesh. So kwamele njalo bekhona nami ngiyamthanda.
Asobushusha babuya aphume ejele.
Azobusha khona umshini. Chome yabona labantwana.
Instead, do you know the
Chome yabona manje labantwana bapholi like yangichaza uShilo makaseje bapholile labantwana.
Abasahlanye.
Upholile
Khanya labakhona.
Iphole kancane strategy akusekho umntana ozokhalela like because
No, I think iphole makasana wena because mengaya eLimpopo and everywhere.
That's why ngithi eLimpopo
It's not a spot where sabo it's something abayilethile otherwise mina general I feel like dala icon is just that besingayilandele like before and eputhi inaki seluza ivelu since wonke umuntu ay afford. So let's follow brand yakakabza ipata guys 800 skipper.
Ay bo 800 mali ngaka. Ngamali ngiyengista price. Leyo quality mina.
And uzokunukela ukapsa. Yila bendala ngemibhede balance ngestina.
How? Skipper. Ufeni skipper.
Noma singala lapha phezulu komatrasi usha amatheketheke nani.
Uzobayini ubabula lesingane singadlile.
Abantwana bami. Hey masaba. Umntana la phansi cause baba manje usaba nokuthenga sport isicawuni
upata. Uyazi.
Ubaze wayishuka bonke.
Angifuna bangiphuma basho ukuthi ayi time lakho ntwana.
Mara
kumedli nenjani engangishitabe.
And yazibona laba bagqoke kahle strategy. Mawungena endlini kababa. Uyanuka.
Name drop wena. Name drop ungathi unendaba.
No, chome like senyasho.
Name drop.
Chome senyasho. Like senyasho ukuthi yabona laba baba laba bagqoke kahle banuke kahle.
We got you.
Umbhedu wena esiphakathini.
We got you. Ay bunjani.
Chome ngisasho nje.
Yeah.
Guys,
okay.
Meeting like ngalamantombazane lawa. No offense, Swash. Amantombazane lawa are everywhere. Majiji,
okay, yeah man.
netball, modeling, yonke. No offense,
no offense.
No offense.
Like something. You think like it, but greedy.
But greedy, friend.
Yeah.
But I won't say about greedy, they're multi-talented.
Yeah.
So there's nothing you can do. Same applies to Musho as well. Hi guys, my name is Mamelo Williams. I'm a TV presenter, I'm a host, I'm a conference whatever, I'm a chef, I'm a that means you're talented, there's nothing you can do about it. So now God wakhe umupele opportunity ukuthi you're gonna be the virgin and uzohamba la virgin Sposh, you're gonna be a best content creator when it comes to the LGBTQ, you're gonna be this and that. It's fine, you just gifted. So Nakabanye they like for ukusumisa status sabo maybe bafuna ukuswabisa umakhelwane or family.
yabona le ukhuluma yakamushendik namatshitshi la in asifani friends la ukhuluma ngomuntu ochase ibag so umuntu ochase ibag
I'm not chasing the bag if ngihambe ematshitshini because ematshitshini it's about my own
Ungazabe uzichase zonke. Cause chasing that ball.
Okay, yes, I might be chasing the bag. It's fine. Maybe that was my goal.
Uma zenza zonke.
like ugreedy that so mina angeke sikhulume angeke like simcomputer nabo Chris ngondlala
No.
She's not competing.
Thulani I'm talking
Yes, sis.
Yeah.
so then no like choma ngeke simfanisa no Grace M because Grace uyazine usebenza nabo GWM nabo TE choma izinto like zasebenza nazo ne and ufuna ukubona ukuthi phezulu umsebenzela ngibona like and lapha uchaser ibag
It's fine.
and that point nje akuna bag usebenzisa eyakho ibag
No.
kuphi usebenza ematshitshini futhi akuna bag
Yeah, I keep bag.
Okay, ungangabi
usebenzisa eyakho ibag ukuthi emhlangeni le Eastern Cape eKZN usebenzisa eyakho wena thula behind ghost
No, Chom, wrong mood. Uchesa like akana bag I chase ku netball. It's fine. Uzozibela nama certificate ukuthi once upon a time I was in this position taking and status even when you apply in sevens you can be something bigger, maybe a coach netball team, the biggest coach netball team. Yes, yes.
Oh, Joe, friend, nangali netball dinga song drop on netball. Wow.
No, you know why? You know why? You're not working on a big organization when netball.
I coaching kwamele uyifunde like coaching like bazokutshela ukuthi kwamele ube ne coaching level bani. So certificate sakho asisebenzi nje ku netball.
No.
Sidlalile friends, sidlalile sadlala certificate nazazi nje zithini naphathi kwe.
No, Choma, understand. You know what I'm trying to say. Phela uSposh alibele adlala inetball. Ayisuqala ube center nan ube captain. Mase captain ube recognized by other phela khumbula bahamba ama competition ngabahamba adlala ikasi.
Yes.
Well, it's fine. Ube KZN. KZN there's something called scouters. Ube certificate.
Asiphi?
Na medal. No,
Liwile.
okay, it's fine.
Mina uchero njalo. Uchero uthanda like izinto wenza yonke into multitask. Mina ngini.
Why?
Hayi, angeke uthi uyakwazi ukupheka. Uyakwazi ukucula, uyakwazi ukufunda, uyakwazi ukubhala.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that?
Amele ube nento ewani kule khaya. Nami uzokwazi ukuthi okay baby.
Ikhona, eventually there is, guys. That's why uNkulunkulu meka senzile uthemamelo uzoba nobuhle makanye kube nesibuni.
For a reason.
That's why
isibuni for a reason.
yes, it's fine. And it's fine. So naye ugelo wakho if ukhona upheka nani thola ukuthi ingqondo incane. Angaba multilingual but then ingqondo incane.
Sifuneka yona lento leyo.
That's why you okay, don't say you hate umuntu or here and there because ikhona at the end of the day into ongayazi ngaye elekhaya. What if une down syndrome or uyi slow learner?
Okay, me I take care.
Besides nokuthi take care, my would like
no, I feel like nge perspective yomfana abafana they hate competition. They hate umfana. Okay, but abafana personally they hate umuntu like ukutshala nomuntu onezinto eziningi on their plates because you also scared ukuthi ngizowondla uye. I think that's the other thing you guys are afraid of. Athanda untombazane enwondlayo.
Kube yazi yathanda kanjani ke intombazane.
Okay, uyathanda but at the end of the day only one ulukonhlungu. It does come to your senses ukuthi ngiwondla umfana what am I doing yenzani everything. Okay, momlekelela what's the reward? Unyenza abantwana uyibaby machine.
Absolutely senza abantwana protection khona for a reason.
Protection is nothing like when you bring on the table.
Umshaka mnandi abaxoxela uthi yo chomi ungani nangu guy nanga zange ngigibele izona. Awusazi umphetho obhaleni ngikhuleka.
Okay guys, mina take care ngiyavumelana naye Mr. Sentino ngawazi amakhulu. Mina ngithi guys like ayikho into wrong multi-talented ayikho nje into wrong ungaya ematshitshini bakupetula iphunani it's fine uye ku-netball uthole second place it's fine you can do whatever as long as wena wazi ukuthi I'm making time for this
and amachitshi ngithanda ukuthi mosekashada thola umaqondana wakhe namalobala ayanyuka because of uthole usaseschool namalobala ayanyuka ke kuba ne self respect and nomshado
yabona ngisho mina nanoma ungalike yabona mfuna like ngikhuluma le yamalobolo ngisho mina nanoma ungabhubhudla amalobolo like ipupunazi ne ipupunazi vele kwamele ibhubhudle at the end of the day ipupunazi ungayibhubhudla ngisho mina imali yakho wena uyitshitshi imali yakho inyuki yang understand but umuntu opupuzile ipuna like oyibhubhudlile ipuna like ipupunazi ne imali yakhe cause na unama qualification uthola ukuthi lokho lo yenzini
unama kuba itshitshi
guys
amachitshi comment down section ngiyaqala kade isikolo
yafana sazolilekelela uma ngathanda
ithi and then
bona ne uyisave ubreak
it's fine
Niyazana ulona ichance akhuluma naye.
Hawa
Wena.
mina bengithi
Balekelela kusala bayabhatala.
mina bengithi guys it doesn't matter ukuthi uyijiji or whatsoever okusalayo at the end of the day ilobola uzolithola nawe nina ningathi guys phela nina manje seni offend abantu abayibhubhudlayo manje
Asa offend.
ngoba bona bazothola ama 10,000
No, we said that but 10,000.
mina all I'm saying is into engiyishoyo noma okusalayo sibosh noma ungayigcina mama easy ube na 21st okusalayo shayifana nami fana nami ngibhubhudlile ke activities
and there's nama teacher ayani
Aisha must
abantu abaningi chobine
sing break again. I sing break.
chobine ubona ama teacher amaningi amazulu ngithi right ama teacher thula ngithi ngiyakhuluma chobine baba ama teacher like lento leyo butshitshi kahle idume kuphi KZN right
yes
angeke uthi KZN like chobine mangaya eLimpopo kuphi angeke uzwe bathi like sinesigodi sama teacher kuphela like in akabayithatha serious lento leyo butshitshi mara yona like bayayinaka mara not serious kangako njengase KZN
njengamasuthi abangandaba
mamelande angithi amazulu I like it to me enata lento leyo butshitshi wara right
indoda melithola ubutshitshi nani
choma kona like abantu abaningi like abangamatshitshi choma awuzikhetheli indoda awuzikhetheli indoda like
especially KZN
choma awuzikhetheli indoda ubaba makathi ufuna umfazi niyazana nonke nisigodi samatshitshi nizinika phansi ubaba omdala ona 38 ona 58 years uyakhetha ematshitshini
no for mina laba abasenza
usathathani usawugcinelani ukuthi uzoshada umuntu ongama and ke abazali bayayifuna imali abafuni ngiyazi ukuthi
labo bazali ba wrong kumele baboshwe why kumele uchoose indoda into ukuthi yes into ayishoyo
nokwazi mayifuna ukuthatha natal bathi bafuna ukuthatha second ayithatha second
sharp guys angali vele kashambe guys wrong into abayenza
for the fact ukuthi esontweni bathatha amajiji bawabeke one side abantu
abashapa
Umthishi bakhutangi. Hayi ayikho into abayenza kwashe.
so walukugcinela lokuthishi bona kusabanye basele bakazitemnandi
kahle lamasonto lawa nezinto eziningi namazethi
usonta kashambe namina kashambe vele like kuna la kuhlala khona amatshitshi abantu abangakathintwa kuna la kuhlala khona abantu abashumayelayo kuna la kuhlala khona abantu abanotshaliwe
Bona amasonto kwashe.
That's a
Kusonto kaShembe.
Sabatha mara ngiconnecta ngesontweni.
Okay, ngisho ngikubuza mina ne. Cause ake ngazi. Uze kahle kwishongo. Uze kahle kuShembe chom cause dala nje ngifuna ukuyizwa le. Chom ngizwe bathi ngamasathane mani yesonto. Mabathi. Awuyayazi ngathi.
Angisho babe.
Manje you don't wear panties.
You wear dress, a long dress.
Yes, guys. Ufake
Lamaroko
khona ngoba okay guys umuntu ukuthi bagqoka pant yes ngithi mina lapha azibagqokana like khona lento yasesontweni like edesignwa from esontweni okay ibizwa bafese ngicine yes uyifaka ngaphansi khona obvious angeke uzothi mawudunusa kuvela ikuku
So wait, bafaka
amaroko
or like in a uniform yeah specifically. Okay, fine.
yeah so ayekandenteni ukuthi kuvezwa amakuku lapha khona into oyifaka ngaphansi before uzofaka lokugqokayo it's either ufaka iroko or ufaka ibhayi lesonto ufaka something ngaphansi before uzofaka lelo roko lelo akuthi uma ngabe ungafaka ngiphethe phela
So nabo banayo lento ukuthi
my concern.
Mosema period it's fine uyalifaka iphela
Okay, uyazi esontweni ufisema period.
yeah
Any place sonto bathi awuzimosema period. No akusiza yona.
No, ZCC.
I think ineneza yona.
awusonti mara kusema period
Okay, like akukhulumela leza yona.
ZCC cause ngizofuna kufanele ngiyazi vele ukuthi mosema period awuzi for 7 days esontweni.
ayiwena
Then mawulele
So now we are at February.
then mawenzile isex like awuzi for 7 days.
Yeah?
Ngatsho Chomke amanje sengumbaza ngithi like abafuna abafazi abafana nami esontweni kwamele
And why le last one? Okay, can I ask? Is it CC ne? Why is it CC against? And nebangangizeli. Why against abantu abafaka ubuhlalo?
Chomish abona like ezithisi nabo like banentambe yabo so uma usasonto nje kumele ufake eyabo like bayakhona nje ngiyabona namdala before like ngizosonta kakhulu ezithisi bengingena izayini bengifaka intambo egreen kodwa Loba lo wayibona like azange ayibona ne mara wangitshela ukuthi ukhiphe le ntambo.
Yes, it's fine. The reason why ayibonile ngikiri banes profit bafana njengabantu baseZion. So sorry. So mina I'm against ukuthi why ba against abantu. No. Share my take on. And mina ngizokhuluma noma bangangizela kena tap.
Yes, right.
Abantu base-ZCC personally I feel like the reason why ba against abantu abafaka ubuhlalo amazangoma because remember nabo on their side ba spiritually gifted, right? They can see, they can feel, they can whatever. Mina ngifile ngathi ngisaba sengathi sizobabonela imkhuba esinakusabayenza behind ubuprofesi babo. You understand?